Hey y'all, I've got another video for you today. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? I've decided that I'm gonna make a toolbox rack for my go-kart, just so like when I'm at the farm or whatever, I'll have a place to keep my tools and stuff, so I don't just have to put them on the seat next to me, or I can put a gas tank on there. Shit, I'm almost out. God damn, this thing doesn't hold battery. Anyway, I've already cut the two pieces here. This one is, I think, 19 inches. This one's 8. And I've ground out this little slot so it fits over that. And then I'm not going to weld this on. I'll probably just weld a nut or something onto there and then slap a bolt in. But I've got to tack these two together, just like that. And after I'll do that, I'll get back to y'all. Tack together. Alright, let's just see how they line up here. Okay. So right there is going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze. Shit, I just broke it. But yeah, I think this will be what I'll do. And now let's see if the toolbox fits on there. Rigged together, welded right in here, all around there. Let's just hold on with that. And it's not even really hanging on by much. But this is actually made out of that old wheelie bar project I had. Which is a shame because it actually worked. I just didn't make a video of it. Problem with it was that the front wheels couldn't get any traction at all, so kind of had to give up on it. Anywho, yeah, I'd use a box for reference and got a little bit of flux on there. But I need to weld something up right here so that this will meet here. That was the one concern I had, was this toolbox is too wide for this. So I think what I'm gonna do now, probably, what if I've got a piece that'll fit? Damn, just too short. I guess I'll cut me off another piece. Reckon that's probably about 3.5 inches. That's probably about 3. So, shit. Alright, I'll be back. here's that piece I just grounded, just so I can fit around that little socket thing there. And there goes a toolbox. Well, fuck that up. There we go. Now, here we go. So now I'll just weld that piece on, then oops. There we go. Run some bolts through here. Actually, I might just do zip ties. Fuck it. Run some zip ties or something through there and call it. So once I get all that done, I'll get back to you. Put some shitty welds on a washer and put a bolt through her. Yep, and I used another bolt as a washer because why the fuck not? Oop. There we go. Now weld it all around there. I know it looks like shit. And then I put a spring in there and under there so that it has a little bit of suspension travel, I guess. More just to hold it there. And now to test it. There we go. It's on there all right. And then what I'll do is I'll grab a bungee cord. I'll hook the bungee cord through here, right through here like that. Swivel it under. There we go. She's on, and then all to do is undo the bungee cords, get my tools out, and then be on my way. So that's all I've got for today. I should have a video coming up soon, probably tomorrow actually, for my intake manifold on my scooter that I'm working on. So see y'all later, I guess. Yep, peace, bitch.